Every day, Nedia helps companies design and execute marketing programs that get results. When you choose Nedia as your partner, business challenges are addressed with a plan tailored to your objectives. No cookie-cutter approaches here. Instead, we work as your marketing department, deploying just the right tools to reach customers and prospects in the most effective and cost-efficient manner possible. How do we do it? Let's take a look at the Nedia model for building value.
Well, like any good building, it starts with a strong foundation. And for Nedia, our foundation is market and customer knowledge. Now, this might be as simple as us just sitting down with you and really understanding your business and understanding why you've been successful so we can build on that and enhance it. Or it may range all the way to something more formal, like surveying techniques or analysis. The first pillar is strategy. I'm constantly amazed at even very large companies whose main strategy seems to be to fly by the seat of their pants. Once we understand the customer and the market, then we help you sit down and develop a written roadmap for getting the results that you want to achieve. The second pillar is communications tools. And this is where we take the strategies that we developed and really deploy the right tools to get the message across to your market. Now, this can include a variety of things. This may be website design, it may be videos, it may be viral marketing or trade shows or publicity. We're not going to take a cookie-cutter approach to communicating with your market. The third pillar is program execution. Once we've designed the plans and deployed the tools, this is where the building really begins. And this is what sets us apart as a company. We don't just hand you a set of plans or an assortment of tools and walk away. We want to be there for you to help you implement and really become a trusted marketing partner. This all comes under one roof of our team of experienced marketing experts and their network of proven industry professionals. This ensures that your whole brand, your whole business is covered and delivers a consistent and efficient approach to growing your business.
Marketing architects and builders. It's the Nedia approach to building value in the minds of your prospects and customers. To learn more about how your marketing efforts can be propelled to the next level, call Nedia today.